Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. I hope you're having a good day and you're ready to do some work with me today. You're going to need either a piece of paper with a pencil or crayon, or maybe if you have a whiteboard, something to write on today. We're going to do a quick review in just a minute. Let's look over here at our lesson plan. All your daily work, you know what to do. Yesterday we did our directed drawing because it was Monday. Today is Tuesday. So we're going to do some journal writing today, and I'm going to do a quick little lesson with you in just a moment. But first, I want to show you the question of the day. Okay? The question of the day. What is your favorite dessert? Now, I want you to answer out loud, even if there's nobody around you. You're going to answer out loud, or tell your shoe like we say in class if you don't have a partner to talk to. What is your favorite dessert? Mine is cookies, always. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oops, I went too fast. Joke of the day. What sound do porcupines make when they kiss? I bet you can almost guess that one because porcupines have those pointy things on them, don't they? So, oops, I went the wrong way. Here we go. What sound do porcupines make when they kiss? Ouch! That's what they say. They poke each other. Okay, here's some letters that if you move them around, it's going to be one of our sight words. Can you figure out what this word is? All right, let's see. Them. Look at them swim. Let's try another sight word that's all mixed up. That's not a word. That would say has. Those are in the wrong order. But I'll give you a hint. If you take this one and you move it over here, you get she. She likes to read. This one's a good one. If you move those letters around, you've got the word put. Put the toys away. Oh, now here's a math one for us to work on. I see some purple blocks and I see some blue blocks, and it says, what do you see? Write the equation. This is the time where you're going to have to write the equation. How many purple? How many blue? How many does that equal all together? You go ahead and write, and I'm going to write it on my board, and then I'll show you, and you can see if you did yours right. So you can get me here. Okay. Do you have yours written? Let's see if you got it right. The equation, or I call it the number sentence, is 4 plus 4 equals 8. Hey, it's a double fact. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, let's see what else we got here. Ooh, can you figure out what this would be? What do you see? Write an equation. Now this one's tough, but that looks like a 5 to me, like on a domino or a dice, and there's 3 of them, and then there's 2. So what I would do is I would write the equation like this. There's a 5. Okay, show me now. Here, there's a 5 here. We want to add another 5 plus 5, 5, and 5. Another 5. And now we have to add these 2 here. But do you know what 5 plus 5 plus 5 is? If you count by 5s, I bet you'd know. That's going to equal 5, 10, 15. So this part here is 15. Then we need to add 2 more. So if I have 15 plus 2 You can figure that out by putting that big number in your head, 15 up here, and add 2 more. What is it? 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17, which is a 1 and a 7. I did it. Did you do it? I hope so. Okay. Ooh. There are 16 ants on the log. 6 walked away. How many are left? What can we do to figure that out? There are 16 ants on the log. 6 walked away. How many are left? Now, some of you might be able to think about the answer and get the answer right. Some of you might get it if I give you a hint, because if I talk about the 16 a little bit, you might get it. So let's talk about the 16. A 16 is really a 10 plus a 6. That equals 16. So if there's 16 ants and 6 of them walk away, I could take the 6 away, right? I could take away the 6 right here. And how many would be left? 10. But if that doesn't make any sense to you, you can always just draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can take 16, pretend these are ants, cross out 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and count the rest. That's going to be, looks like a 10 frame. Let's see if it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ants are left on the log. All right, that was a good review. I think it's time for our journal writing lesson today. Okay, so parents, in class, when I teach writing, I talk about how the kids need to have certain things in their picture and certain things in their writing. So they're going to understand a lot of what I'm saying, but I want you to pay attention so that you can help them, so that when they're writing with you, you can remind them to do these things. Okay, let's come over here to my board. I went ahead and I drew, I'll use this. I went ahead and made my journal page all up already, so I saved time. I have a picture here. And the way we grade these things in school is the kids know the picture needs 3 stars and the writing needs 3 stars. So I put a little rubric up here to be able to see if I've got everything I need. So the first thing, a character. Every picture needs a character. It can be a person or an animal. And you can see that I have some characters in my picture. So I can give myself a star for characters in my picture. The next thing you need is the setting, where the picture takes place. You need to know where your characters are. Are the characters in the park, inside the house, at a zoo? So you can tell that mine's outside in the grass by some trees. So I have my setting of outdoors. So I'm going to give myself a star for that. The third thing you can get a star for in your picture is that there's details in the picture. Details are all the little things that make your picture interesting. Look at how many things are in this little picture up here. And in mine, I've got a lot of things going on. It makes my picture more interesting. Those are all the details. So I can give myself another star, which means that I've got 3 stars for my picture. Now I need 3 stars for my writing. I need capital letters at the beginning of my sentence only. I have that. Here's a capital I at the beginning of this first sentence. Here's my capital letter at the beginning of my second sentence. So I'm going to give myself a star. I have put spaces between my words. So you can see the arrows pointing to a finger space between each word. I did that. I earned another star. Punctuation at the end of our sentences. I have a period here and a period there in the right places. So yes, I used punctuation or a period at the end. So I'm going to give myself another star, which means I got 3 stars for my writing, which gives me a 6-star paper. And that's what we've been working on all year in class, getting those 6 stars on our journal writing paper. And okay, guys, so you're going to work on your journal today and do your daily work. And I'll see you back tomorrow for our Wacky Wednesday assignment. See ya.